Hello, everyone, and welcome to this discussion on essential leadership skills. Today, we'll explore 4 key topics that are critical for effective leadership: empathy, trust, emotional intelligence, and inclusive communication. These skills are especially important for scholars and professionals working in diverse and cross-cultural settings. Let's dive in. Section 1. The role of empathy in leadership communication. First, let's talk about empathy. Empathy in leadership is the ability to understand, value, and respond to the emotions, perspectives, and experiences of others. It's a cornerstone of emotional intelligence and plays a vital role in creating an environment where people feel respected, heard, and empowered. Why does empathy matter in leadership? Here are 5 key reasons. 1. It creates psychological safety, allowing team members to express ideas and concerns without fear of judgment. 2. It strengthens team collaboration by building trust and fostering better cooperation. 3. It enhances decision-making by considering multiple perspectives. 4. It improves conflict resolution by addressing issues with fairness and sensitivity. 5. It boosts motivation and productivity, as team members who feel valued are more engaged. So how can you cultivate empathy as a leader? Here are some practical steps. Practice active listening by giving your full attention and reflecting back what you hear. Ask open-ended questions to encourage deeper conversations. Recognize and validate emotions to show understanding. Step into others' shoes, especially in cross-cultural settings. Encourage inclusivity by ensuring every voice is heard. Practice self-awareness to understand your own biases and emotions. Model empathy in action by treating everyone with respect and patience. By developing empathy, you can foster trust, inclusivity, and collaboration within your team. Section 2. Building trust through transparent and authentic communication. Next, let's discuss the importance of transparent and authentic communication in building trust. Trust is the foundation of strong leadership and teamwork, and it's built through 2 key communication styles: transparency and authenticity. Transparent communication means openly sharing information, expectations, and decisions. It ensures clarity, reduces uncertainty, and promotes accountability. On the other hand, authentic communication is about being genuine, honest, and true to your values. It builds deeper connections and fosters trust. Why are both essential? Here's why. 1. They build trust by making team members feel included and confident. 2. They foster collaboration by creating an environment where people feel safe to express themselves. 3. They ensure clarity by reducing misunderstandings and artificial interactions. 4. They strengthen leadership credibility by demonstrating accountability and integrity. To practice transparent and authentic communication, be clear and honest in your messaging. Align your words with your actions. Encourage open dialogue and feedback. Acknowledge mistakes and challenges. Show empathy and respect in every interaction. Maintain consistency in your communication. By combining transparency and authenticity, you can create a culture of trust and collaboration. Section 3. Managing difficult conversations with emotional intelligence. Now let's explore how to manage difficult conversations with emotional intelligence. Difficult conversations, whether about performance, feedback, or conflicts, are inevitable in leadership. Emotional intelligence, or EI, is the key to handling these conversations effectively. EI helps you: 1. Regulate your own emotions to avoid impulsive reactions. 2. Understand others' emotions and respond appropriately. 3. Communicate with empathy and respect. 4. Stay solution-focused to achieve constructive outcomes. Here are some strategies for managing difficult conversations with EI. Prepare mentally and emotionally before the conversation. Create a safe and respectful environment. Practice active listening and summarize what you hear. Communicate with clarity and empathy using I statements. Priorities: manage emotional reactions by staying calm and focused. Stay solution-oriented by working together to find answers. Follow up after the conversation to maintain trust. By applying emotional intelligence, you can turn difficult conversations into opportunities for growth and stronger relationships. Section 4. The power of inclusive communication in leadership. Finally, let's talk about inclusive communication. Inclusive communication ensures that everyone, regardless of background, culture, or abilities, feels valued, respected, and heard. It's a critical skill for fostering diversity, engagement, and innovation within teams. Inclusive communication is essential because it ensures all voices are recognized and valued, reduces biases and barriers to participation, creates a safe space for sharing ideas and challenging norms, builds stronger relationships, and minimizes misunderstandings. Here are some key principles of inclusive communication. Practice active listening and acknowledge diverse viewpoints. Use clear and accessible language, avoiding jargon. Respect diversity and value different perspectives. Use inclusive language to avoid bias and stereotypes. Encourage participation from all team members. Adapt to different communication needs and preferences. For example, in team meetings, a leader might invite quieter members to share their thoughts. In written communication, using gender-neutral language can prevent unintentional bias. And in conflict resolution, acknowledging cultural differences ensures everyone feels respected. By practicing inclusive communication, you can create a more equitable, engaged, and high-performing team. In conclusion, empathy, trust, emotional intelligence, and inclusive communication are essential skills for effective leadership. They help you build stronger relationships, foster collaboration, and create environments where everyone feels valued and empowered. As you prepare to lead in diverse and cross-cultural settings, remember to actively listen, communicate with transparency and authenticity, manage emotions with care, and embrace inclusivity. These skills will not only make you a better leader, but also contribute to a more positive and productive work environment. Thank you for listening, and I wish you all the best in your leadership journey.